You cannot heal your kidney if you do these 10 things daily. Imagine waking up one day realizing that every seemingly innocent habit you've maintained is secretly damaging your kidneys. Shocking, right? But here's the reality. Your kidneys, those small but mighty organs, work tirelessly to filter waste, balance your body's fluids, and keep your blood pressure in check. Yet, certain daily practices, habits we rarely give a second thought to, could be undermining this vital organ's health. If you're serious about maintaining or even healing your kidneys, it's crucial to know what could be working against you. In today's video, we're uncovering the top 10 daily habits that could be silently sabotaging your kidney health. These aren't just minor slip-ups. They're habits you need to break if you want to avoid the risks of chronic kidney disease. So stay tuned as we count down from 10 to 1 with the most damaging habit revealed at the end. Let's dive in. 10. Holding in your urine. It's a scenario we've all found ourselves in. Busy at work, stuck in traffic, or simply too engrossed in a task to make a trip to the restroom. But holding in your urine for extended periods isn't as harmless as it might seem. When you consistently ignore the urge to urinate, you put undue pressure on your bladder, which can lead to bladder stretching or weakened bladder muscles over time. This, in turn, can cause incomplete emptying of the bladder, increasing the risk of urinary tract infections. But it doesn't stop there. If these infections travel up to the kidneys, they can result in serious kidney infections. Additionally, regularly holding in your urine can lead to the formation of kidney stones, as minerals in the urine have more time to crystallize. To protect your kidneys, make it a habit to use the restroom when you feel the urge, rather than holding it in. 9. Overusing painkillers. Painkillers, especially non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen, aspirin, or naproxen, are often our go-to solution for aches and pains. While these medications can be effective in managing pain, overusing them can have serious consequences for your kidneys. They work by reducing inflammation, but they also reduce blood flow to the kidneys, which can impair kidney function over time. Chronic use of these medications can lead to a condition called analgesic nephropathy, a type of kidney damage that can cause chronic kidney disease. This damage is often irreversible and can result in a gradual loss of kidney function. It's crucial to use painkillers sparingly and only when absolutely necessary. If you find yourself needing pain relief regularly, it's worth consulting with your healthcare provider to explore safer alternatives or underlying issues that may be causing your pain. 8. Not drinking enough water. Water is essential for your kidneys to function properly. Your kidneys need water to filter waste from the blood and excrete it in the form of urine. When you don't drink enough water, your kidneys struggle to perform this vital function, leading to a buildup of waste products in the body. Dehydration can cause your urine to become concentrated, which can irritate the kidneys and lead to the formation of kidney stones. Kidney stones are hard deposits of minerals and salts that can cause excruciating pain and further damage your kidneys. Chronic dehydration can also lead to a reduction in kidney function over time. To prevent these issues, it's important to drink plenty of water throughout the day. While the exact amount of water needed can vary depending on factors like your activity level and climate, a good rule of thumb is to aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Keeping a water bottle with you can help ensure that you stay hydrated and protect your kidneys from unnecessary strain. 7. Consuming too much salt. Salt is a staple in most diets, but it's important to understand that too much of it can be a silent enemy to your kidneys. Sodium, which is the main component of salt, plays a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contraction in your body. However, when you consume too much salt, your kidneys must work overtime to filter the excess sodium out of your bloodstream. This extra effort puts a strain on your kidneys, and over time can lead to a decline in kidney function. Excessive salt intake can also cause your body to retain water, which increases blood volume and, consequently, your blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage and can exacerbate conditions like chronic kidney disease. Moreover, the high sodium levels in your diet can increase the risk of developing kidney stones, which are painful and can cause long-term damage to your kidneys. To protect your kidneys, it's essential to limit your salt intake by reducing your consumption of processed and fast foods, which are often loaded with hidden sodium. Instead, opt for fresh fruits, vegetables, and herbs to flavor your meals naturally. 6. Eating processed foods. Processed foods are convenient, often tasty, and can save time in the kitchen, but they come with a hidden cost: your kidney health. These foods are typically high in unhealthy ingredients like sodium, sugar, unhealthy fats, and preservatives, all of which can take a toll on your kidneys over time. The high sodium content in processed foods is particularly concerning, as it can contribute to high blood pressure, a major risk factor for kidney disease. Additionally, many processed foods are low in essential nutrients and high in additives that can create an acidic environment in your body, putting further strain on your kidneys as they work to maintain a proper acid-base balance. Regular consumption of processed foods can also lead to weight gain and obesity, which increases the risk of conditions like diabetes and hypertension, both of which are leading causes of kidney damage. To safeguard your kidneys, it's best to limit your intake of processed foods and focus on a diet rich in whole, natural foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Preparing meals at home from fresh ingredients not only supports your overall health, but also gives your kidneys the nutrients they need to function optimally. 5. Ignoring high blood pressure. High blood pressure, often referred to as the silent killer, is a leading cause of kidney damage, yet many people are unaware of its impact on kidney health. When your blood pressure is consistently high, it puts extra strain on the blood vessels throughout your body, including those in your kidneys. These blood vessels are responsible for filtering waste and excess fluids from your blood, but when they are damaged by high blood pressure, their ability to function properly is compromised. Over time, this can lead to a condition known as hypertensive nephropathy, where the kidneys are progressively damaged and lose their ability to filter blood efficiently. If left unchecked, high blood pressure can accelerate the progression of chronic kidney disease and even lead to kidney failure, requiring dialysis or a kidney transplant. Managing your blood pressure is crucial for protecting your kidneys. This can be achieved through a combination of lifestyle changes, such as maintaining a healthy diet low in sodium, regular exercise, reducing stress, limiting alcohol intake, and, if necessary, medication prescribed by your healthcare provider. Regularly monitoring your blood pressure at home can also help you stay on top of any changes and take action before serious damage occurs. Before we move on to the next habit, we'd like to let you know that we've included Amazon links for all the recommended best-selling health supplements in the description and comment box below. Make sure to check them out to support your kidney health journey and find the best options easily. 4. Consuming excessive sugar. Sugar is everywhere in our diets, often hidden in foods and drinks that might not even taste sweet. While occasional indulgence is fine, consistently consuming too much sugar can have dire consequences for your kidney health. Excess sugar in your diet leads to a host of health problems, starting with weight gain and obesity. Carrying extra weight puts stress on your kidneys, as they have to work harder to filter waste and maintain the body's delicate balance of fluids and electrolytes. Moreover, a diet high in sugar increases your risk of developing type 2 diabetes, a condition in which high blood sugar levels can damage the blood vessels in your kidneys, leading to diabetic nephropathy. This is one of the most common causes of kidney disease and can eventually lead to kidney failure if not managed properly. Sugar is also a major contributor to high blood pressure, which further strains your kidneys and accelerates kidney damage. To protect your kidneys, it's essential to be mindful of your sugar intake. Start by reading labels and cutting back on sugary beverages, processed snacks, and desserts. Opt for natural sources of sweetness, like fruits, and consider using spices like cinnamon or vanilla to add flavor without the need for added sugars. 3. Smoking. Smoking is widely known for its harmful effects on the lungs and heart. But what many people don't realize is that it also significantly impacts kidney health. When you smoke, harmful chemicals enter your bloodstream and reach your kidneys, where they cause inflammation and damage to the delicate blood vessels. This damage can impair the kidney's ability to filter blood effectively, leading to a buildup of toxins in the body. Moreover, smoking reduces blood flow to the kidneys, which further hampers their function and increases the risk of chronic kidney disease. Smokers are also at a higher risk of developing kidney cancer, a serious and potentially life-threatening condition. The risk is particularly high for people who smoke heavily or have been smoking for many years. In addition to directly damaging the kidneys, smoking can worsen other risk factors for kidney disease, such as high blood pressure and diabetes. The good news is that quitting smoking can have a profound positive impact on your kidney health, even if you've been smoking for a long time. Within weeks of quitting, your blood circulation improves, reducing the strain on your kidneys and lowering your risk of kidney disease. There are many resources available to help you quit, from support groups to nicotine replacement therapies, so don't hesitate to seek help if you need it. 2. Drinking too much. Alcohol consumption is often seen as a way to unwind or socialize, but excessive drinking can have serious consequences for your kidneys. Your kidneys are responsible for filtering toxins out of your blood, including alcohol, which is a potent toxin. When you drink too much alcohol, your kidneys are forced to work harder to remove it from your system, which can lead to dehydration, a condition that puts significant stress on your kidneys. Dehydration reduces the flow of blood to the kidneys, impairing their ability to filter waste and maintain a healthy balance of fluids and electrolytes in your body. Chronic alcohol consumption can also lead to liver damage, which in turn affects kidney function, as the liver and kidneys work closely together to detoxify the body. Furthermore, excessive drinking can contribute to high blood pressure, a leading cause of kidney disease. Over time, heavy drinking can lead to alcohol-induced kidney damage, where the kidneys lose their ability to function properly, increasing the risk of chronic kidney disease and kidney failure. To protect your kidneys, it's important to drink alcohol in moderation. The recommended limit is no more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. If you find it difficult to stick to these limits, consider seeking support from a healthcare professional or a support group. 1. Neglecting diabetes management. The number one factor that can make or break your kidney health is how well you manage diabetes. Diabetes is the leading cause of chronic kidney disease, CKD, and kidney failure, making it crucial to keep your blood sugar levels under control. When you have diabetes, high blood sugar levels can damage the tiny blood vessels in your kidneys, impairing their ability to filter waste and excess fluids from your blood. This condition, known as diabetic nephropathy, develops gradually and can lead to kidney damage over time. If left untreated, it can progress to end-stage kidney disease, requiring dialysis or a kidney transplant. The damage caused by high blood sugar is often irreversible, making prevention and early intervention critical. Managing diabetes effectively involves regular monitoring of blood sugar levels, following a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and taking prescribed medications as directed by your healthcare provider. It's also important to manage other related risk factors, such as high blood pressure and high cholesterol, which can further damage the kidneys. By staying vigilant and proactive about your diabetes management, you can significantly reduce the risk of kidney complications and protect your kidney health for years to come. So there you have it, 10 daily habits that could be secretly sabotaging your kidney health. From holding in your urine to neglecting diabetes management, each of these habits has the potential to cause serious damage over time. But the good news is that by becoming aware of these risks and making simple changes to your routine, you can significantly improve your kidney health and overall well-being. Remember, your kidneys are vital to your body's functioning, and taking care of them is one of the best investments you can make in your long-term health. Also, don't forget to check best-selling and recommended supplements on Amazon. You can find the links in description below. These links will help you find the highest quality products quickly and conveniently, supporting your journey to better health. If this video helped you understand the importance of protecting your kidneys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips from Healthy Habitat. Stay informed, stay healthy.